What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. I can't scream or anything because, well, it's around 12:22 p.m. or is it a.m.? This is a great question. PM or a.m.? I don't know. It. I don't know. All I know, it's midnight, and I decided to post a video because I'm bored. We're gonna play Minecraft. See, this is what happens when I'm tired. Don't press the button for. So yeah, let's just give this a try, cause why not? So, jumping. Oh, dang it. Yeah, okay, so the first one we died already. She's too smart. Is that cheating, guys? Comment down below if that's cheating. Oh, those are mines. Oh. I found it. Just gonna spam my mouse. Come on. Huh? Hide. You gotta hide. 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 No one's gonna come up here. I'm still alive. I'm really cold in my room right now. I gotta go to the bathroom really bad. This is bad. I'm cold. Why am I cold? My fan's on. I can't turn it off. I can't turn my fan off. What time is it? Almost 12:30. Wow. Survive. Woo! Huh? Oh, bet. I'm literally dead.
Knock knock! Who's there? That door! Knock knock! Who's there? That door! Knock knock! Who's there? That door!
This is weird.
Knock knock! Who's there? That
I don't know when I would need my auto clicker. My crown showing, no. Well, I haven't been found yet, so. Loki, this is my first gaming vid, and I decided to post this late at night. But I was bored, so what else was I supposed to do? All my friends are sleeping. According to Discord, all of my friends are sleeping. My friend was like just playing Forza with me, and then he just didn't want to answer. Oh shoot. Let me just... Alright, let's set this to 1. So... Oh, just to prove how fast this thing is. Yeah. You knocked me off. Low-key, the auto clicker isn't the way. Ava Cupcake, eh? Oh, this is easy. I'm probably... Oh, I can't jump. Okay, there's blue things. I'm guessing you have to dodge the blue things. Oh, shoot. I'm trying to I ice skate too much. Shoot. This isn't that hard. Oh shoot. Bet! I won! Oh, bet. I died. Wah. So yeah, if you're still watching, hit the like button, comment down below, let's see, what should you comment down below? Comment down below, 50 subscribers, because that's what we're going for. Yeah. Yeah, you, right there. You. You're just chilling there. Do you guys want to hear me turn off my fan? It's amazing. Alright. Huh? Bruh, why won't my fan turn off? It's just freezing cold. Jump over the lasers. Okay, fine. Very smart. Now, like, everybody will survive, though. I'm actually gonna play the game. Oh, shoot. We're all gonna die. Yeah, see, we're all gonna die. Ultra hard mode activate. Woo. Got my auto clicker on. I'm just gonna stay in the corner the whole time. It's not even that hard, just stay in the corner. Hey, pink. Just got my own side here, like, just worrying about myself. No, hey. Leave me alone. I'm just a boy. Who won? You. What do you mean, you? Hey, are you Freddy or are you Spring Bonnie? On your marks. How's really a speed coil? Bruh. I finished 7th place. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? But yeah, so. Hurry, ha 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 ha, because hurry. Sorry, I was going ice skating today. That song's stuck in my head. I can't sing it or I'll get copyrighted, but. Oh shoot, the walls are closing in. Huh? 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 Oh, is that? Oh, I have my auto clicker on. That would have won real bad. It's almost 1 in the morning. Yes, I mean 1 in the morning. I'm posting this very late. No. No. 100 points, baby. Can I just jump over this? Dang it. Sorry, guys. Sometimes I forget I'm on this. I'm not. No! No! Impossible. Big brain? Bet. Big brain. Get ready? Get ready for what? Let me move. Why are we still big brain? I want my Prince avatar back. Shoot, no! That just woke my parents up. That literally just woke my parents up, I'm pretty sure. Nothing happened, guys. We're all good. All good over here. I don't know about you. We gotta get off the red chocolate, guys. Shoot. Stay clear from Prince Ali. Stay clear from Prince Ali. Stay clear for the Prince of Lee of the blah 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 blah. I found the pattern out. Yes. Alright. I'm correct. If I stand here, I'll win the entire time. Okay. Okay. Easy enough. Oh, shoot. That never happened. You never saw anything, alright? Well, oh, it tips the more when it hits, it tips. Yeah. How is that even fair? How do you even survive that? Like, tell me how you survive that. Like, I need answers.
Knowledge. Knowledge.
Knowledge.
Knowledge.
Knowledge. Knowledge. I didn't even know what you're supposed to do there. Help the mechanic find his wrench? I don't want to. Expecto Patrono. Here we go. There you go. Bet it's gonna be that. I mean, my blueprint. Yes, I guessed it. Boom. Expecto. Avada Kedavra. Avada Kedavra. Avada Kedavra. Avada Kedavra. I don't know how Voldemort says it. Sorry, I was watching Harry Potter. What missed you? Oh. I wonder what's in here. What's in here? Ooh, Avada Kedavra this. Rested. This is unfair on keyboard. Now what do we do? Just wait? This this was an easy obby. What do we do? Yeah, let me get on that. Survive. Alright. I'm stranded. Shoot. Let's go! Let's freaking go, lads! Oh, bet. Come here. How'd I die so easy? I was gonna say fast, but like, easy. Alright, well that's where I'm gonna end this video because it's like seasonal. So that's where I'm gonna end this video, guys. My first ever